Welcome back, students. Now, after a long break of our class, I hope you have completed your shading work. Now, we are going to start our next class, which is about color. So, in the same tree, I am going to teach you how to color a tree properly with its background so that you can use it in your landscape whenever I will give you a homework to prepare or to make or to draw or to color a landscape. You can follow these steps. So first of all, you have to complete the background, because background is having not much darker lines or darker shade. So what we will have to use, as I have told you earlier, that you have to use poster colors. Okay, so we will use cobalt blue. One is of lighter shade and one is of darker shade. Darker one is Persian blue and this is cobalt. So what we are going to use is cobalt for the background to show a sky. So here we will take a flat brush. As I told you earlier, I have given you some numbers. You can use number 8 for this as I am using, and you can use 12 too. Okay, what we have to do is just to take some water in your brush and then dip into the color. Little bit color you have to take like this, and then what you have to do is just to spread the color. Start spreading from the top. Try to make it at once and just spread the same color you took from a color bottle. As you can see that I have finished all the color of my brush. Then I took a little bit water in it and then spread it. I will take color from the top and I will go towards the bottom like this. As you can see that the color is becoming lighter. Again you will take color. Whenever you take a fresh color, just put it on the edge of your page like this. Take a little bit color here too. Dip your brush into the water by taking a color from the previous stroke. You can carry on. As you can see that these patches are coming in on your page, then this is the indication that you should stop rubbing the brush too much on paper. What you have to do is just to avoid to rub your brush on that part. By this process you will proceed. Keep your brush little bit wet. Again the color is over, so you will take some color and just spread it again at the edge. Take some water and then start spreading it. No need to leave a space for the tree. If your color is too dark, then it is required, but if you are using my method, there is no need to save the tree from the blue color. Because later on you will cover it with the yellow one. I think you are understanding. What I am doing is just horizontal strokes, and strokes should be a little bit longer. Again, you took some color on your brush, go to the edges first, then when the color became little bit lighter, then you can use it here. Okay, it will go on darker to light like this. Take some color here too. Continue your strokes to the horizon. Like this. Wherever you find some lines, you can merge them with the help of water. So this first you have to complete. Then what will be the next is you will take yellow color. We have almost 3 shades of yellow. This is almost brown, so it is lemon, it is ochre, it is lemon, it is ochre, and it is chrome, and it is ochre. Okay, so what yellow you have to take first is lemon. Don't get confused between these two colors. It is written here also. This is chrome yellow and this is lemon yellow. What you have to take is lemon yellow. Okay, so in same brush, first wash it very carefully, clean it with your any cloth you can use, or of course a cotton will work better. So this is how you take yellow color. Just apply it like that. You can use light yellow, you can use it very boldly, dark color you can take like this at some places. This is how you will complete your background. You can leave somewhere white, there is no problem, because later on you will use so many colors and coats. Now what's next? You just have to change your brush. You will take any round brush which can be of number 4, or you can take number 6 also. I am taking number 4 because it will help in the sub branches to color on. Repeat the color, the dark color. Here you don't need to use much water, just fill them with yellow. For trunk, you can use this broad brush. If you are not comfortable with this broad brush, you can take any other brush. Through this method, you will have to completely coat this with yellow. If you will use darker shade in your background, then the yellow color of this tree will turn into green. So just avoid using dark background. So as I'm telling you, you just have to cover the whole tree, the lines you can see here. So the background should be like that the lines should be visible on the surface, so that you can use the color directly. You don't need to darken it with the pencil again. You don't need to use your pencil again on it. So like this, first you will complete the first step of it. Okay, after doing it, share your images, and after that I will give you our next step, what we are going to do on our tree, on our ground. Okay, so after seeing or watching your homework, I will give you the second step. This is your first step. You just have to complete this with the yellow color. As I have told you, wait to, you don't need to rush to complete the work. First do the sky, then the ground, and after that the third step is doing or completing or treating your tree with the yellow color. Okay, But first you remember that this horizon means two backgrounds should be dry, otherwise this color will be spread out here and there and your painting will be destroyed and you have to make it again. So you don't need to do it. First let your background dry, then start doing the next step. Okay, after completing this you all will share the images. And by seeing that I will give you the next video with the next means second step. Okay, thank you students.